Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a Zoom meeting and invite others. So, I'll be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Zoom app and then log in with your account. So here I'm using my Android device, so I'm gonna teach you accordingly. So what you need to do is firstly, over here you'll be having option to let's say create a meeting. So just go with new meeting and then just start a meeting. So it might take some time, just have some patience for a while, and now the meeting has been created. So now what you need to do is you need to go to this Zoom text over here, the drop down menu. Just go over here, and over here you'll be having the link which is says invite link. Just press and hold it, and then it will be copied to your clipboard. Now you can share this link to anybody and then invite others like that. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.